Hello, I'm Marta Evensen, Senior Designer with Living Water Lawn and Garden. And we have just completed this amazing backyard here in the Anthem Country Club area. Our focal point on the lower portion of this project is this new water feature. It's calming, it's refreshing, it's beautiful. We built this during the summertime, absolutely refreshing. The colors are more in the turquoises and blues and taupes, which is not a heavy color in the landscape, and that makes this feature really stand out and pop in this lower area. It's just beautiful. It's spectacular. I'm so proud of it. But the project was started off by creating more usable space for this hillside that we've got here. We carried the living space all the way up through the hillside because the homeowners wanted to have more usable space. So we tore out an old flagstone patio and we added pavers, a paver walkway with steps that are all the same rise. We've got lighting underneath the steps, so it's easier to walk up through this area at night. So as we walk up through the space, we've come to a little area. You can quietly have some coffee in the morning. You can still hear the beautiful water feature and have a view out across the valley. Here we have more steps that has the lighting at each one, so it looks very attractive at night, but also makes it easier and safer to walk up these steps. Another huge patio, more steps to more living space outside. So up here, another seating area. We've got bistro lights hanging from the pergola, and this is what the homeowner wanted to do, to have more usable space on this hilly backyard. If you would like Living Water and myself to design and build an amazing usable space for you, contact us at Living Water and ask for Marta Evensen, Senior Designer, to design and build your amazing outdoor space. Contact us at 702-655-5593. I look forward to changing your outdoor space.